In my last video, you would have seen me make a number of different tags. And that was using the Patchwork Playground kit from Susan Taylor Brown. And it's just using some of the different journal cards that Susan includes in her printable kit on her Etsy store under the name of Poppiness. So now we're going to step it up a bit, try something a little bit more complicated, a bit more detailed, rather than just using simple stamping techniques on the journal cards. So I'm Paula from Scrap FX and Moxie Mojo. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial today. Where the stamp is, follow that along, and you see that, yep, some of it's straight, so that's okay, and some of them have got holes where edges. That looks pretty cool actually. Right, let's just edge this around, and maybe I need to go to the wall. I might do a double on this, double ink. And I am being particularly rough and ready just because there is a torn edge, and that's kind of the look that we want. So that's that, but now I'm going to go for this in walnut stain, because this is slightly darker and I really just want to give that edge really emphasize that dark edge a bit. And so every now and then, or actually quite often, I will do a double or even triple layer of ink, distress ink, to get the look that I really want. Oh, that looks cool. And then just flip over and do the side just in the walnut ink. And for this one I'm not worrying too much if I actually bend this cardstock a wee bit, because it will all add texture to this distressed look. And if anything, I'm actually going to try and sort of bend these a wee bit, curl them up, curl up the edge. Really kind of add some character to it, give it a slightly dog-eared look. It's just bending that over, those corners over. And this sort of edge, just running my finger along it and kind of bending it. even giving it a bit of a tear. So in which case we'll add some more ink in there. Yeah, that's what we want. Giving it that kind of dog-eared look. Especially with those, yeah. So now, that's what you've got. So you can put this either way around. Probably that way. It looks quite cool. And coming through on that coloured edge. So there we go. So that's sort of stepping it up a little bit. But even so, just using your ink and a stamp, getting a really cool aged look. And then if we do this one just as it is, so if you're really not sure about ripping everything up and bending it too much, you can still get a pretty cool look on your journal cards just using ink. So there we go. So there's your comparison. So both still look pretty cool. Is what if you don't have any stamps that are suitable for doing lines on your journal cards like this? Well, all is not lost. Of course, you can just get a pen and ruler and draw lines across if you wanted to. But here's a little wee trick that I thought of that you could also try. Now I'm just going to do a header on here with this little wee stamp. And this is from the Tim Holtz collection, Stampers Anonymous, the Correspondence. I'm not sure if it's still available because again it is an older stamp, I think. I'm just going to put that on, press it down. That gives a good stamp there. Give that a quick wipe. Now if you don't have anything with lines on it, what you can do is use an old gift card or credit card, and then with your ink, what you're going to do is you're going to scrape on ink onto one of the edges. I'm going to use that one there. And you don't want to use the flat because you'll get quite a thick, or you could use that, you get quite a thick line. But what I'm going to do is just use that like leading edge and then just eyeball lines on there. So now it might be a little bit difficult to see, but I'll hold that up. So can you see that? And then you don't need to have special stamps. You can use whatever ink you like, whatever colour ink you like. And of course you've got the two lengths. You can use either the short side or the long side of your gift card, or you can even use a ruler. Anything that's got a straight edge that is relatively a fine line. Oops, getting a wee bit. I mean, you could go mark where the lines are if you want to make sure that they're perfectly even and straight, but I'm not worrying about that. But there's another quick and easy way to do lines on a journal card. And then of course we'll just finish this off. And yes, I have finally changed the foams on these. Now we might use that. Actually, let's use Vintage Photo for a change because we haven't used that one so far. And the first time you use it, it takes a wee bit to get some ink on there. So this is probably going to be a bit more subtle effect than what I have done previously. Nah, nothing about me subtle, let's be honest. And this is actually the scrap that was left over from the other journal card that we made, the square one with the like crossword puzzle on it. So we're using up that little wee bit of the journal card so that nothing is going to go to waste. And again, you could round the corners on this if you want to, but I've chosen not to on this because we're just doing something quick and easy just to show you. And that looks really quite effective.